Example 4 for factor by grouping has kind of a challenging wrinkle in it. Suppose we have negative 7x squared y minus 7xy squared plus x plus y. Again, I would try to find a common factor between the four terms. There doesn't exist, so I'm going to go ahead and write into the factor by grouping method because I see four terms. In my first group of terms, I see that I can pull out a negative 7, an x, and a y. And that will create a positive x and a positive y. Now this next part gets a little bit confusing because when you look at the group x plus y, there is no common factor unless you go ahead and toss in that invisible coefficient of 1. So it does have a common factor, and the common factor is 1. So if I'm doing the factor by grouping method, I have to pull something out. And I can at least always pull out a 1. So we got a little trick in here. Sometimes the common factor is just a 1. Now as I look at my two parentheses, I have this common factored group of x plus y. And then in parentheses, I write the remaining part, negative 7xy, and then plus 1. So watch out for times when you have to factor out the greatest common factor of 1 from a parentheses.